memory more efficiently, and it can address memory more than 4 gigabits. Do you have something like that? 4 gigabytes. I mean,
Yes, they have.
do you have? Then are we all having the 64-bit version?
On our
Yes,
laptop.
on your laptops.
Yes, 2 gig RAM.
What is that? Do you have a 64-bit
Yeah.
on your machine?
Yeah.
Asken? 64.
But the RAM is different.
Okay, then we've got an improved device support. Now, although 64-bit processors have been available for some time, in the past it was difficult to obtain third-party drivers for commonly used devices.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
What is the difference between 64-bit operating system and 64-bus processor?
Come again?
The difference between 64-bit system operating system
Yes.
and x64 bus processor.
X64.
Yeah, very
64X. Oh, X. She's talking about the X.
base processor.
This one thing was that you are mentioning. If we
because
speak about the, listen,
Yeah.
if we speak about the 64-bit processor, we are speaking about the advanced RISC machines. That's an ARM. So that kind of processor, it supports a SLAT, a second level address translation. So we are speaking about one thing, 64-bit, 64 base.
Oh.
This one is the same thing. I will understand your question if you are asking me about the difference between 64-bit and 32-bit. Do you understand now? Okay, can you proceed then? Are you answered? Don't open your eyes.
No, it's fine.
Yes, we are mentioning one thing, Morissette. Get that? 64-bit, 64 base. We are speaking about one thing. You understand? Yes. So, then I said although 64-bit processors have been available for some time, in the past it was difficult to obtain third-party drivers for commonly used devices such as printers, scanners, and other common office equipment. So now, if we're speaking of the improved security that comes up with that kind of an architecture, so it says it enables a more secure operating system environment through kernel patch protection, mandatory kernel mode driver signing, and data execution prevention. So we did spoke of the kernels. Do you understand? Do you remember that time?
Yes, sir.
We spoke of the kernels. How do we get to kernels on CMD? Sorry? Reg edit.
Sorry,
That's a registry edit, Amos.
Sorry, I'm thinking about the H keys. Sorry.
Morissette, how do we get to kernels on command prompt? You can't say you know, but it's gone. What does it mean?
I know
You? Asen, how do we get to kernels? Do mark these guys. If I speak of kernels, know well that I'm speaking of the driver architecture, the driver's architecture. Kernels have got everything to do with the drivers. That's why when we go to a command prompt, we go to a command which is called the driver query. You run that command. You remember it now. You don't say oh now. Do you remember
Yes.
that? Okay.
So you say we go to command pro and then
Drive query. Driver query, not drive query, driver query. Then you'll see a list of kernels which are supporting the drivers. Because if you can go and check each driver there where it is, then you'll see that each kernel belongs to a certain driver. Driver for display, driver for sound, driver for mouse, driver for keyboard. Everything's got drivers. So that's why when the computers launched before it start up, it just scans those kernels to get the drivers. Drivers must be scanned successfully, then the computer just puts up. There's the next step that happens. Are you good there?
Yes, sir.
Did you run that command?
No.
Why? Anyone who ran it? Why are you bored? Saying,
No.
what's happening? Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
What is it?
No.
This is a 2-minute thing, Moss.
But when I type Bob Carey, don't give me
When you type Bob Carey,
driver.
when you type Bob Carey,
No, Bob Carey is what you say.
you're saying drive carry. I'm saying driver query. That's Query. Query. That's a query. Do you get it? That's one word. Driver query. That's one word.